my fellow Cutcardstock fans. This is Kelly with another Cutcardstock unboxing. So I already cut this open in the interest of saving time. I'm going to turn the box this way and open it up. Alrighty, we got packing. I'm going to remove this. Sorry for the noise. And I'm going to find out where the tape, oh, it's right here, tape is. And I'm going to pause this a moment so I can cut this open. Okay, here we go. So I got the tape off. And they sent a little, they always send a little, what do you call that? A little sample, a little notepad sample. Okay, I'll look at that. All right, let's move this off to the side. Now, can I just tell you, Star Dream is my new obsession. It is fantastic. This is aquamarine, obviously, and it is just insane. It is so beautiful. And what I like about it is Star Dream comes in two different weights. They have 80-pound, well, this is the envelope, so it's 81, but the cardstock comes in, I stand corrected, not 80-pound. It comes in 100-pound, oh, no, I'm sorry, 105, and it comes in 126. The 126 is real heavyweight, makes wonderful card bases. It'd be great for invitations, menus, anything like that. And I use it for card bases and for card panels. And the 105 would also be equally good for card bases and panels and invitations and menus and things like that. But this color, these colors are just, So yeah, I got that. And I got Star Dream in Fairway. I thought it was such, and I got the coordinating cardstock. It's such a pretty green. It's so beautiful. Oh, it looks like they got a new logo here. That's pretty cool. Nice little like butterfly type wings. But that is so beautiful. It might be hard to see on camera, but it has, now it's not a glitter cardstock because that implies like heavy sparkle. This is a subtle shimmer, just enough where it's not overwhelming, but it's just enough to make it beautiful and classy. This may be my all-time favorite. It's called Coral, and I recently made a card using this. I used an embossing folder on it and I added ink to it. I used archival inks because this has a coating on it, and if you use regular dye ink or pigment ink, it's going to kind of sit on top and it'll smear. It won't dry. So, sorry, I had to pause the video. I had two cats that were in a cat fight, well, hissy fit. Anyway, so this one, yeah, like I said, the ink will smear. It won't dry because it does have a coating on it. So what you need to do is use like I used archival inks, and that is a permanent ink, and I was able to use blending brushes, and I added it to the raised area of the embossing folder, and it made for a beautiful card. So this is probably my all-time favorite. It's just stunning. And then the only other item I got was the Lagoon, because I have the envelopes for this, and I wanted the matching cardstock because it's just stunning. So my next, I'm going to have to get this one in cardstock. So I have that. I mean, let me open this so you can see how beautiful it is. Now, when I write on these envelopes, I will use obviously a permanent marker. Look at that. That is, it's so beautiful. Don't mind my pink thumb. I dyed my daughter's hair and I got pink dye on my, it was a rip in the glove, and it was much better now, but it was my whole thumb. Anyway, it is such a stunning, beautiful color. And it's such a soft pastel blue. It's gorgeous. And I'm looking forward to getting the cardstock to match, because that will be awesome. Now let's open up this guy so you can see. I'm not going to open the cardstock because it's the same thing. Oh, this one has a flap here. And I like the green because it's like almost like an olive green. And I love that color. It's one of my favorites. Come on, buddy. Come on out of there. All right. See? Look at that shine and shimmer. It's just gorge. Look at that. So it's totally beautiful. Totally happy. And I have other videos, unboxings with this one. And again, same shimmer. It's like a teal blue with that shimmer. And again, this guy, as you know, is my fave. So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this video was helpful. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, and also if you add a comment down below, you'll be entered into my monthly comment giveaways. I do a giveaway once a month for subscribers that leave a comment on a video. And those prizes will be anything. Like stamps or dies or things like that. So there you have it. If you have any questions or if you want any samples of anything, please, again, contact me in my comments, and I will send you an A2 sample of any cardstock that you see in these unboxing videos. I definitely love Cutcardstock. They're a great family-owned company, and I wouldn't do these videos if I didn't feel that it was worth it. I'm not doing it. I'm not being paid. I'm doing it because I feel that this company is definitely worth it. All right. Thanks so much. You guys have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.